Hi, I'm going to make a real easy to make dinner. Pork loin, rice, cream and mushroom soup, and green beans. So I have the pork loin in the oven. I put olive oil on it and some seasonings. Fat side up in a pan, uncovered. I put it in at 450. After 10 minutes, I put it down to 350 and cook for 1 hour. So when I take it out, we got to make sure that the temperature is 145, or you'll get trichinosis. So that's if you get that, everyone will trick you the rest of your life. So you don't want that. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, here we are. It's the next day. David's having a bread sandwich. I guess he's going to be a jerk like he usually is. Here's Bear's and here's mine. Okay, we'll see what Bear thinks. Bear will tell us, huh, Bear? Bear, here. Oh, I think he likes it. I'll try a bite. Came out good. What do you think?
I haven't tried it.
I guess he's a jerk.
Nice
Bye.
and bland.